Hey, welcome to Tech with Mannat. If you are a businessman or a blogger and want to build a website, so this video is for you. Don't skip this video because today I will tell you how you can build a website with Wix.com and it's totally free. Open any browser, type here Wix, then hit the first link that is about to create a website. Now make your account here, add your email and password here, then you will sign up. Almost this website is created now, but for the further setting, hit the get started button. Now they are asking what is your website for, means you will tell about your title. I will write here blog for entertainment. You can choose any title according to your profession. Now they are asking some questions about her living, about her profession, about her phone number, email, password. These are the basic questions and we will fill here for our website. You can also edit your website and can changing in this website about your title, email. If you want to change your phone number, you can just edit and change here. Now I'm going to select a profile picture for my website. You can also select any theme for your website. I will select my theme. You will select with your choice. Remember this friends, I can also change this theme in future. Now click on build site. Here you can change your colors, your theme, your fonts, your style of font. Each and everything you can change from these options. Now let's see, I'm going to change my theme. Finally, it is updated now according to my choice. From here I will change my title because my site is not a suitable title, so I will write here entertainment. You can also add subtitles here, also add a detailed description about your profession. You can also add some social media links so that your clients can easily find you and contact you very easily. If you want to change layout of your website, so from here you can hit on change layout and change it according to your choice. Friends, if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more useful, informative and interesting videos. Remember me in your prayers. I will come soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Bye bye.